Nakakatawa na sa edad na 60, naniniwala pa ako sa ganito. Yung makahanap ka ng makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Hindi to bata na naghahanap ng sugar daddy baka akala mo. Ito ang biyahe namin ng aking Lourdes. Nagkakilala sa simbahan ng Quiapo. Akala ko talaga mamamatay na lang ako ng mag-isa. Wala akong naging asawa, walang anak na makakasama. Sabi ko nung nanligaw ako, di na tayo bata, kaya pwede bang kasalan na? Sabi niya, di na din daw siya dalaga. Kaya kinuha ko ang basbas ng mga anak niya at ngayon, misis ko na. Ako si Ronaldo, nakahanap ng forever sa edad na 60. May kasama na sa pagtanda at para sa akin, sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon, siya ang aking happy ending. My love, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, some people spend a lifetime to find someone they wanna settle down with. And for some, it feels like a lifetime. Alam mo yung sa sobrang busy mo with life, sa sobrang occupied ka ng mga ginagawa mo, ng mga responsibilities mo, at some point nakakalimutan mo na talaga yung clearly kung paano mabuhay. Nakakalimutan mo how to live. And sometimes you pay no attention to your romantic relationship. Yes, it does happen to some people. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng tao yearning to have someone na matatawag nilang katuwang sa quote-unquote love life nila. Some people are hyper-focused sa mga goals nila in life, especially when meron silang responsibilities in the family that they have to really prioritize. So some people, dahil sa dami ng inaasikaso nila, dahil inaasikaso din nila yung mga magulang nila, tumutulong sila sa pamilya, pinapauna yung mga kapatid, napag-iiwanan sila ng panahon. And some people, they already give up on the idea of having someone to grow old with. And it's amazing lang kay Ronaldo na at the age of 60, he was able to stumble upon a woman na wise behind her years as well. And that woman really understands the same thing na gusto ni Ronaldo. That at the end of the day, he just wants to have someone to go home to. He just wants to have someone he can share a home to, build a home to. It doesn't even matter if they won't experience sobrang daming, alam niyo yun, memories together. And when I say memories, yung alam niyo yun, yung having a child, having a baby, kasi they're already on their prime years Pero they are just happy to share their lives together. Siguro yun yung pakiramdam, my love, ng mga tao na they've done everything they can possibly want in their lives. Kumbaga, they have fulfilled yung mga dreams nila, yung mga goals nila. And even with that success, even with those goals being achieved, alam nila sa mga sarili nila na something is still missing. Kaya kapag sinasabi ninyo na, sus, wala ka namang problema kasi mayaman ka, you have money, you have resources in life, you're not sure. You're not entirely sure about that. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng pagtingin sa mga buhay natin. The very thing that is maybe not important to you may be important to other people. And for Ronaldo, even if he have achieved almost everything he could possibly achieve in his life, that one thing is still missing. Na at the end of the day, gusto niya lang talagang umuwi sa isang bahay kung saan may naghihintay sa kanya. That goes to show, baby tuloy. Tawagin kita baby. That goes to show, love, na, alam mo yun, kung wala ka pang katuwang ngayon, kung wala ka pang partner ngayon, kung wala ka pang matawag na baby ngayon, my love, give it some time. Life has a funny way of introducing us to the person we are gonna grow old with. Sometimes yung least expected time natin na ipapakilala tayo sa taong makakaduluyan natin hanggang dulo, dun sila dumadating. Dun sila sumusulpot. And it will debunk your idea of love. Yung lahat ng expectations mo in your head about how your relationship will start, how will it end, yung journey itself, that person will debunk all the ideas in your head and just give you a wonderful journey of love. So kung ngayon you failed in having someone, don't you give up. Someone is out there for you. And even when you're 60, like Ronaldo, you'll never know. Again, life has a funny way of giving us the things we need, the least we expect it to happen. Kaya ikaw, na wala pang jowa ngayon, or matagal nang walang jowa, huwag ka mag-give up. Kanya-kanya, bawat isa sa atin, kanya-kanya tayong merong happy ending. Hindi pa lang kasi yun yung happy ending para sa'yo. Kung hindi pa siya nangyayari, maybe isinusulat pa yung journey mo. Kumbaga, continuous pa yung adventure ahead of you. That's why hindi pa napapakita sa'yo happy ending. But you'll find it. But one thing is for sure, if you give up on it now, if you look at yourself with so much pity just because you are alone, then you'll never stumble upon that love. Kasi hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo when you're ready. Hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo when you are not ready. Rather, ibibigay yan sa'yo when you feel contented and confident with yourself and you're ready for your own happy ending. Claro? Claro.